Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Trello for web development, so let's get right into it. Now, Trello is basically a work management system, so you cannot really use it for web development. It's not an IDE or an integrated development environment. You can code in it. I mean, you can write your own code, and I'll show you how later, but it's pretty much unusable, so I would advise you not to do that, since you can't export files that are needed for web development, such as HTML files or JSON files or anything of the sort. Now, the way that you can do this is, well, let's create a new board. So let's choose that as a background. Let's say web dev and click create. And now we have a new board. Now, what I would advise you to do is manage your workload through Trello and make lists or boxes depending on what your tasks at hand are. For example, let's say the first list should be I don't know, login functionality. The second one should be, I don't know, register functionality, etc., etc. I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm not a web developer, but this is pretty much the principle behind it. You can then add cards for subtasks or user stories, or depending on what you want to do with this functionality or with this sort of, well, let's say segment of work. And another thing, as I've mentioned, I will show you how you can, well, make a card. So let's say web dev, just call it whatever you want. And then when you click on the card, you have this description area here. I'm pretty sure it is not limited by the amount of characters that you can have, so you can technically code in here. However, as I mentioned, it's not an IDE. I wouldn't recommend doing so, but it is completely up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.